Okay. Now I'm gonna find a way to cut this off, because it's not on all the way. I gotta cut it the way it looks. So I gotta take off the other one. All right. Anyways, I'm not gonna change it because right now it's pretty good. Let me show you, because it's working. It's not doing, it's not causing me no trouble. As you can see, bring it closer. Right there. It's not dry rotted, it's not cracked or anything. As you can see, it's still holding. It's still all together. There's some grease. I feel some lubricant on it, so there's still some greasy under it. So that's it. Just disconnected it. And then I got that piece right there. Got this one here on this side. I didn't clean it up yet, but yeah. Same thing. It's not dry rot or nothing. It's still good. It's not causing me that much trouble. I don't know. Since I did the suspension, it's been holding, so now it's doing its job still. I'm not gonna mess with it, so I gotta cut this off and then put the new one in. But the thing is, this one's still good. I mean, I'm not gonna bother with it. It's not like I'm going to be or doing some crazy stuff on the streets. I'm just gonna drive like a normal car. And I sized it up. Yeah, it's perfect fit. So it'll work. Yep. Perfect size. So that's that. So I got this just in case. So when this one starts cracking or something, then I'll change it. Right now, at the 233,000 miles, it's still working. It's still doing its thing, just like the airbags. It's still holding out. I know the airbag's gonna go like when I go at 300,000 miles. But with this here, this bushing right here, is still good. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do a lot of, because it's not really dry rotting yet. It's not cracked. So I'll wait till it gets real bad. But right now, it's good because I gotta cut this off. That's gonna take a while. So yeah, not really, but yeah, I'm just don't want to be bothered with it. It's still good. Okay, and there it goes right there. Put some grease on it like I did, as you can see. Took some grease, put it in there, and then slide this back over and just turn it around. You can see the grease go. You can see the grease in there. And just move it around. Pack it in, work it in there, and put the bracket, but put grease here, then put the bracket back on, and that's it. I already did it with this one. Same thing with this one. As you can see, put some grease in there. Turn it around. And that's it. Put the bracket on, put some grease here, and that's it. Call it a day. Here I am. Turn on the lights. And I already put the bracket on this one already. Now I'm going to do it on this one. And here we go. I already greased it up. I used that grease, brake caliber grease, that black, but it still works. Brake caliber grease. I used it, greased it all up, as you saw already. Now I'll put the bracket back on. And here I am, under the Lincoln Town car, sitting down comfortably. And here I go. Put that in, put this bracket in. It's lined up perfectly lined up. Just put the screws in. I already did put it in the bracket. Put the screws in. Got that one in. Got the other one in. Put the other one in. Like I said, it's fine. It's not like really bad. It's still good. So I'm not gonna be bothered with it. I'm not gonna do all that. It still does its job after 233,000 miles. All right. Now, look at that. Going right in. Take it out. Put the other one in there. There, it's already lining up with the. There you go. Went right in. Went right in. Here. There. And then all I gotta do is torque it. I'll find the torques. I know who gave me the torques. So that's it. All I have to do. There you go. It's done. Oh, let me do that. I just pulled it up, but I didn't put the screws in on this one. I didn't tighten it up all the way. You just tighten this one up in here. Going in there like that perfectly. This one. There, went right in. Yeah, that's done. So now what I'm gonna do is just gonna torque it and call it a day. Ta-da! I'm done. Beautiful, right here. So like I said, yeah, doesn't really need to be changed. I'm not gonna bother with it, but I still have the new one right here. And here it is. So whenever that starts dry rotting or starts cracking, and I start hearing a lot of clunking, then I change. But right now, it's like I said, since I did the suspension, it's doing its job. It's not really making that noise. It's fine. And when I drive it, no problem. When I go to curbs, it doesn't do that no more. So it was because the suspension was bad. So now it's fine. Actually, I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna be bothered with it. All right, here you go. Under this with the scissor lift. Oh yeah, done. And that's that. Alrighty then. Bring the car down. And that's it. See, I was gonna use this. I was gonna use this to cut it. But yeah. But it doesn't really need to. Like I said, it's not really that bad. It's not even dry rot. It's not cracking or nothing. It's still one solid piece of rubber. So yeah, that's it. All right. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, you know what you gotta do. Subscribe. And just give it a like. The one thumbs up will help. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Uh-oh. I'll show you something real quick before I log off. Let's log off. Gotta clean that up. There you go. Gotta wipe that down. Got some dirt, some dead bugs on it. Just clean it up. So yeah, that's it. Just torque. I already remember torque it. Call it a day. Here's the other one. So it's fine. It's not bad. There it is. Still doing this thing. It's still holding. I said I'm just gonna torque it to the right spec and then that's it. All right. Enjoy.